Outstanding design defines the 2015 Ford F-250. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, a trailer hitch, and more. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.